You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Spanish. This is a kind of a slang term. It's the F word essentially in Spanish, meaning screw it, right? Joder is how the Spanish would say it. Joder, joder. The J is pronounced ho. You could replace it with an H sound if you cannot pronounce it. Joder, joder would be the English pronunciation from Spanish, how to pronounce joder in Spanish. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.